Samsung took the first look at its next folding phone, saying it will be mass-produced in the next few months. Justin Denison, Samsung's Senior Vice President of Mobile Marketing, showed the phone, which is a tablet when it's fully open and then a phone when it's closed. It uses a new display technology called Infinity Flex Display that allows you to open and close the device again and again without any degradation. The Infinity Flex screen represents a completely new mobile platform, said Denison. We've been living in a world where the size of your screen can only be as big as the device itself. We've added a new dimension to help you navigate, watch and multitask like never before. The folding phone can run up to 3 applications at the same time, something that Samsung calls multi-active window. Glen Murphy of Google, head of Android UX, took the stage after Denison and said Android will support the new folding screen technology. Samsung is also working on technology for rolling and extensible screens.